In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate date in Excel. So I'm going to show you two ways, and later on I'll show you a more accurate way of doing it. So we are going to start off by taking the difference between today's date, today, minus the date of birth. Then whatever we get, we divide by 365, assuming there are 365 days a year. However, this approach is not very accurate because there could be some years that are not 365. So if you do this, there's a chance that you'll have some errors. A more accurate way of doing this is frac with this one, which requires a start date, which is today, comma. Start date is the date when you were born, which should be this one in F2. End date is today's date. I want to get the age as of today. And there are different options. The next argument shows whether I want the actual divided by 365, actual divided by 360. So I'll go by one, which is actual basis. This is really based on the actual days. When I do that, you see, you get so. As you can see, there are slight differences in between this and this. But if you're interested in the years only, you can do a round of these figures into a year like so. So that you get 8 and remove the fractions, as you can see. So this is how you can calculate the age in Excel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.